head to? I know you mentioned more snow probably.
Yeah, a couple little snow chances to look at. One system for tomorrow and another one for Wednesday. They won't be nearly as troublesome as this one, but still a little light snow that could slow down traveling for folks. Yeah, at this time yesterday, of course, snow was starting to go sideways. Today it's just cold, but the sun is back as we dig out. Here's a look at some of those snowfall totals. Most of the metro in kind of the 4 to 7, maybe 8-inch range. A few pockets of slightly higher totals in northwest Wisconsin and south central Minnesota. Rice Lake, Ladysmith area, and also in and around Mankato, kind of the spots that saw the most. The steadier totals again through the metro, 4 to 8 inches. North central Minnesota totals a little lighter, only in the 1 to 3 inch range. Right now, nice to have the sun out, but it's so much colder. It is 11. We'll creep up maybe to 13. Enough of a wind, of course. It's not howling like it was, but it's still plenty strong at 10 to 20, knocking the wind chill below zero. Lots of single-digit temperatures in western Minnesota, teens to western Wisconsin, even below zero in Alexandria, 10 to 20 mile an hour winds still across the area, so you know what that does. That really puts the wind chill back quite a bit. And we'll still see several gusts today that may be near 30 miles an hour, so in areas where that loose snow is still around, the terrain may be a little flatter. You're able to have areas of blowing snow here in western Minnesota. Notice though, through the afternoon, the wind starts to settle down, the gusts closer to 20, and then by later tonight, the gusts drop back into the teens, so not as problematic. But still, lots of blowing snow, and notice the visibility around Mankato, around a half mile, Rochester a mile and a half. So as Cece was showing this earlier, the roads in those areas definitely much more slick and snow covered, and still some sections of blowing snow. As you travel northward, a lot of spots with just wet roadways. Part 2 with the wind, obviously it makes it feel much colder. Wind chill 7 below in the metro. We're in the 20s below now in western Minnesota. Microcast keeps the wind chills obviously rather bitter throughout the day today. Teens and 20s below tonight, and then it improves quite a bit tomorrow morning into tomorrow afternoon ahead of that next little snow system. Here's the sun over the area now, enjoying that, but a lot of energy out here in the western areas of Canada. Some snow here, there's a system here, and there's a system here. Show you when they'll move in on Microcast as we stay with sun through the day today, then cloud up tonight. Here's tonight's weak storm system that brings in a few flurries and snow showers into tomorrow. Nothing as heavy, but there still could be a dusting to an inch or two. And notice it's on the heels of another system on Wednesday that brings in more flurries and snow showers. Each one of these systems will reinforce the cold air too, Cece. So temps pop up tomorrow with the one wave of snow, but boy, then it really cools down into the new year.